Hi guys, in this short
Oh, bella! Bella! Bella!
Sorry. Hi guys, in this short video I want to tell you the plans for next year. First of all, I will start playing the new portative organ in the various churches and castles, as I said earlier. But I first have to buy some gear, like portative recorder and batteries for my lights, and maybe a drone for some aerial shots of the place where I go to play. Well, more money. For this reason, from next year I will put a PayPal link for those who want to support me in what I do. Also, I plan to open a Patreon channel, as I had already announced, where once a month I will put the details projects with all measures concerning both the new portative organ and other projects. Also, beside the usual recordings with my larger organ, I have other building projects in mind. So, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.